Everywhere you look, pneumatic connections are keeping the world moving and working. And no one does that better than Alkon. Alkon valves, fittings, and flow controls are known around the world for reliability and long service life. The reason? A passion for performance and the Alkon can spirit that makes it happen. Alkon's manufacturing operations are ISO certified and kept up to date with the latest version. We maintain stringent quality controls through every step of every process. In our eyes, every application is performance critical. 2 facilities in Fremont, Ohio offer over 75,000 square feet of manufacturing space. Inside, CNC machining centers take bar metal and aluminum, brass, and steel from stock to finished products in sizes as large as a soccer ball. We mill, drill, deburr, wash, and assemble right here, and pre-apply the right thread sealant on all push-to-connect male threads. We built many of these machines, using Alkon fittings and valves, of course. In our screw machine department, dedicated equipment and tooling cuts millions in production costs. Lights out machining keeps dimensions on spec and quality high while holding down costs. Advanced equipment performs up to 60 precision processes per cycle. Even our order fulfillment process is automated with a product carousel we designed for greater accuracy and efficiency. But technology is only part of the equation. What makes Alkon different? When others can't provide what you need because of equipment or technology limits, Alkon can. For example, production equipment available from machine builders can't always meet our demand for volume or efficiencies. In those cases, Alkon can design and build its own equipment and get the job done. Unlike most suppliers, Alkon welcomes custom projects and has numerous design and production patents to prove it. Our passion for performance drives real enthusiasm for custom work. And unlike most suppliers, Alkon continues to produce lapped spool and packed spool valves. Why? Because meeting your needs is our primary concern. That's why Alkon can do turnkey projects that call for design, melting, forging, casting, machining, and finishing. We're always ready to jump in and develop custom products that exceed your expectations. Design assistance is free. Alkon makes more than 10,000 varieties of valves, fittings, and flow controls, all with well-earned reputations for hard work and longevity. Alkon directional control air valves are some of the fastest cycling and most reliable on the market. Some Alkon valves are still in service after 30 years. How? We designed them using the fewest parts possible for longer and more reliable service. The same is true for Alkon flow control products, the choice for high-flow, ultra-reliable performance. We offer hundreds of options, and every valve is made to order with only the options you need. And every valve is tested 100%, so Alkon can guarantee performance. That goes for transportation industry valves too. TransDot valves deliver top performance at competitive prices with a flow range that covers even the harshest environments. We have a passion for performance, so we appreciate customers who share that passion. Alkon fittings are made to perform just as well. Alkon makes a fitting for virtually every commercial and industrial pneumatic use. In fact, we manufacture more brass push-to-connect fittings than any other U.S. supplier. And all male threads on push-to-connect fittings come with pre-applied thread sealant for faster, easier installation and the performance characteristics you need. Need a custom solution? Alkon can create it, even on short notice. And as we quote an as-is fitting, we can often suggest a design improvement that can save you a lot of money. Design assistance is free. For transportation vehicles, Alkon TransDot fittings for air suspensions and cabin controls are available for virtually all transportation vehicles. Our fittings cut assembly time up to 75% over compression-style fittings. With TransDot fittings, Alkon can eliminate leakage paths, reduce inventory, and cut time and labor in assembly. And with any custom work, design assistance is free. And Alkon offers everything else you need, from replacement parts and tubing to emergency repair kits and more. At Alkon, our priority is keeping you moving and working, so we do small and large production runs to meet your needs. We monitor inventory closely, and when you need it, you've got it ASAP, usually within a few days of your order. With over 10,000 distinct products, fast, accurate shipping is no small feat, but our people make it happen every day. With turnover below 1%, it's always been very low. Our workforce really knows our products and how to make sure they work for you. They know the importance of working safely and that they're making great products in a positive environment where they and the company have a bright future. Alkon brings to the table more than 60 years of expertise in fittings and valves. Passion for performance turns that knowledge into world-class products. And Alkon Ingenuity delivers those products and world-class personal service at competitive prices. So if any company can give you delight and confidence in your choice of supplier, Alkon can. Keep moving and working with Alkon. What can we do for you?